It's running out of light. Just let him go. Lights look good, Nate. So it's not on. It's not on the board. It's on the.
No. So the nav lights plug into that board.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Dad, I'm gonna be the first one taking off.
There's something in the blue box right now.
Nate, stand back. Let's go.
The one that's plugged into the blue box is that landing light.
Okay.
Wait, what? What are you doing?
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, wow. That's cool.
Your ass is on fire. All your ass is on fire.
Hey, do you see that?
Yes, I do.
Can I take off?
Look at this.
Go, Nate.
I'm gonna stand over here.
Seriously, yeah, it is, but mine's brighter.
Doesn't it look cool, Dad?
Mine's brighter.
It's cool. No, it's not.
Mine's brighter.
Good, man. Light burner. Light burner. I'm coming with you guys, okay?
I haven't flown in so long.
Shit,
Get
Mikey's
off
on
the
the
runway.
way.
What are you doing?
I haven't flown this in so long. Okay, guys, don't form up with me, because I haven't flown in a long time.
Keon, go. Where's on the runway? What do you mean, Keon? I'm flying. On the runway. Oh my God. All right, take it off. Look at that. Good?
Yeah.
Guys, this is
does
so
work.
cool. Low pass. Low pass on the right. Yeah.
Okay, I gotta come to where you guys are. I got trimmed, so I'm good now. I think I might be a little tail heavy at the moment.
Fire boom. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
What?
I did that like stall thing.
Don't do it. I think I might be tail heavy.
Low pass.
You just hanging out up there?
I'm trying to get it trimmed. It won't trim.
People coming right at you. You're good now.
Look at that.
I'm gonna blow it up. Yeah, it keeps climbing.
I can only see the after. The plane's like red.
Are we flying a pattern?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll stick to it.
Yeah, the order looks so good this time of night. Does it look good with mine?
Hey, this looks great.
It's not bright though. Low pass. God, look at this. Isn't that cool?
Yes.
Why are we arguing?
Off now. I don't know, Nate. Mike just always arguing. Yeah, that was great. Did we not argue? Yeah.
How's it flying, Ray?
It's fine.
One more pass, then I'm bringing it in, okay? Why?
I think I gotta put my battery further forward though.
Follow me in. Is that Mike?
Okay.
Drop your gear.
I'm doing weird things. I need to land. Are you serious?
It's the wind too, guys.
All yours.
No, it's just, whoa. Yeah, landing.
Air boss.
Mike, let Max land. You have to learn no pattern.
I'm at the end.
Max on final.
Yeah, there's a lot of weird wind out there, guys. It's not. I think the planes are fine. The wind is weird though.
Touchdown.
Oh! Oh!
I love the fact that you guys just love your own landing.
Oh yeah, that was
Oh!
awesome.
That's my time. Mike, you don't need to land. I have 6 seconds.
Mike, you literally just took off. It's hilarious.
Alright, I'm good. I think it was just the window and some weird shit. Alright, I'm clear, guys.
That's one big plane, man. That F-14.
Yeah, it's huge. And it comes with all those lights. That's the crazy thing.
It's a 14?
Yeah.
No, it looks good. Plug it.
Are you guys coming in anytime soon? Okay.
Hasn't touched down yet, but he just touched down.
Okay.
Rolling to the end of the runway. He's probably going to roll off.
I barely use any motor, so I'm good.
He's taxiing back.
I know, look, it's flickering. Let's go. Alright, wait. I'm gonna land. I'm landing.
Hanging off landing! Guys, who's landing
I
now?
gotta land. I gotta land too.
Please hurry up.
The way here. Yeah, look.
I'm doing gear check.
Who's this?
Okay.
What are you doing?
He's off-roading. Okay, he's fine.
Why is everybody making such a big deal over every little thing? What the hell? Who was that?
That was me.
Looking weird. That's gonna be all over my camera.
I know. I
You're right in front of my camera.
figured out right in front of you.
It's all right.
Well, who is that?
I'm on the far
1 minute.
I'm on the far right of the
I'm almost a minute over. I've been flying below half, so I'm okay.
Am I in your guys' way?
No,
Okay, good.
hurry up.
Oh my god.
What the heck?
Nice, Keon. That was good. You made the taxiway. Making it
I
first.
have to taxi him to the taxi.
Okay, please come in.
You got a clear runway. It's all yours.
Hey, stay there, take off and go all over.
Oh, my hands are frozen. So, Nate, you sure that's nothing in the board we change?
It's literally
I know it's in the on the.
that wing board. Pull it off. Change the connection.
No, I like how it looks. It looks good. I just got to get the strobes going. All right, see ya. See ya, see ya.
That was flight 14.
Nice.
I'm
It looks
so
good.
happy I got
See,
off.
it's